Have you ever been in the middle of an epic gaming session, only to feel like your PlayStation is struggling to keep up, maybe with some stuttering or slow loading times? Many players experience these little hitches, wondering if there is a simple solution right at their fingertips. The good news is, yes, console updates absolutely can fix and significantly improve PlayStation performance issues. These updates are crucial for maintaining the smooth, responsive gaming experience you expect, directly addressing many common slowdowns and bugs. The primary reason these updates are so effective is that they are packed with critical software enhancements. Developers regularly identify and patch memory leaks, optimize how the system's processing power is allocated, and refine the core operating system. Think of it like a regular tune-up for your console's internal software, ensuring everything runs as efficiently as possible, leading to faster load times and more stable frame rates. To make the most of these benefits, ensure your PlayStation is always set to automatically download and install system software updates. You can usually find this setting in your System Settings menu, under System Software. Regularly checking for and installing these updates will help your console stay in peak condition without you having to manually intervene every time. A cool insight is that some updates even introduce advanced rendering techniques or better, utilize the console's existing hardware, like the solid-state drive on the PlayStation 5, further enhancing game performance beyond simple bug fixes. They are not just about adding new features. They are about continually refining the underlying engine that powers your games, often making older games run even better than before. By keeping your PlayStation system software up to date, you are actively participating in its long-term health and performance. It is a simple, often automated process that yields substantial improvements, helping to eliminate frustrating slowdowns and ensuring you get the most enjoyable and seamless gaming experience every time you power on your console.